Welcome to Psycho Autos. What if I told you the wrong seats in your C10 could ruin your entire build? Bucket seats aren't just style, they completely change comfort and driving feel. Factory bucket seats from 1967 to 1987. Trucks are the easiest swap. They bolt in easier and keep that original classic vibe. Want modern comfort? Aftermarket seats like Procar and TMI are a huge upgrade. On a budget, seats from OBS trucks or even Cavaliers can fit with minor mods. Or go all-out custom seats built specifically for your C10. So what's your build, comfort, style, or both?